Welcome. This is Tweetie, and we have links down in the description and playlists for you to get to. Right now, we're talking about negotiation. Yeah, negotiation. It's a real-world thing, and you do it all the time. In your family, you negotiate what you can have for dinner. You negotiate what kind of punishment sometimes a child should have. You negotiate where you're going to go out to for recreations. You can negotiate what your money is spent on. And you need to get your negotiation skills built up. It means being firm, having a backbone, and willingness to exhibit some disagreeableness so that you can stand strong in your decision of how far you will go in your negotiation. So, try going to flea markets, yard sales, and practice your negotiating so that you can do better at getting the supplies for being a prepper. Anyway, that's our tips for today. If you liked this segment, give us a thumbs up. If you want more, subscribe, ring the bell. You know the story. Thanks for watching, listening, being there. Have a blessed day. Angels all around.